Hi, my name is Reja. Welcome to PL SQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about PL SQL stored procedure, and we will find throughout this tutorial are creating procedure, usings of procedure, calling procedure in PL SQL block, parameter-less procedure use, notation procedure use. In the earlier tutorial series, we already known about basic use of procedure. Here we will see how to we pass or how to we use default option in our procedure. Let's create a procedure first. Here we can see create or replace procedure, and here the procedure name proc default val, and inside this one here we just pass the default parameter p default param. This is the parameter name, and versa2 is the type, and this is default, and the value is this is default parameter in this stored procedure. So, and after then we use the begin and end, and inside the begin and end we just use dbms output line function to print the value. So if we execute that procedure, and after executing we see this is the default param in this procedure, because we we have not set it any default. Now we will pass the parameter to this procedure. So I just want to copy this one, and here I just want to paste this one, and now we will send or pass. If I execute this one, and here we can see the passed value print by using the dbms output line function. Now you will see another example of name notations. So let's create a procedure. And here we see the create or replace procedure. This is the procedure name, name not proc. And inside this one, we pass three parameter: text param, mean salary, max salary. And inside, and then we use the begin and end. Inside begin and end, we use the dbms output line function to print text param, mean salary, max salary to print. Now we will call the procedure with notations. This is execute keyword, and after then this is the procedure name. Inside this procedure we just pass three parameter: max salary, text param, and mean salary. So here we just see the sequence: text param is first, and then mean, and then max. But here we use max salary is first, then text salary. So we don't need to worry about the sequence of parameter passing. So here we just pass the parameter, and it will automatically detect by using the name notation. So here the max salary, text param, and mean salary. So if we execute this one, so there is an error. So if we change this one, rearrange this one, and if we execute, and here we can see the result. This is the procedure calling, and this is minimum salary and maximum salary. So our order preceding is not considerable in notation procedure. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.